Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Soft-Roading channel. Today I'm going to show you a new way of cleaning dishes. Well, not a new way of cleaning dishes, it's my new way of cleaning dishes. And it uses the Geyser system, the Geyser shower system. If you're familiar with that, it's like it's a portable shower system that can heat up the water, or you can use your boiling water. However, I don't have that, but it did take a couple parts from them to make it my own. So this right here is a Reliance Flow Pro shower. It comes with a shower head, which I took off and replaced it with a Geyser system, Geyser shower system knob, the control knob. And then I also got the sponge to attach to it to wash dishes or to wash my body. So good thing about this is that it does not require any batteries, or it does not require a battery pack or anything like that. It's just by pressure. You just pump this up and then it flows, and I'll show how the flow works, but you just have to pump this up to get the flow moving. So I just pumped it up, but I just took the valve from the Geyser system and then I just plugged it into the current hose that comes with the Flow Pro. You do need like a clamp. I got this clamp style here. It's a nice small one, but you do need that as for parts. So I just pumped it up. I'm going to show you what the flow looks like. So you just crack it open. So that is minimum. It's just dripping. And then you can turn it up a bit. That's flowing, as you can see there. And then you can just go full blast. And that is flowing water. So that is, again, I just took the valve from the Geyser shower system, and then with that you can also plug in the sponge to wash your dishes or to wash your body. And what I like about this, because I already had the existing Flow Pro, I just bought again the valve and the sponge. What I like about this is that I don't need to plug it into my 12-volt battery or car. You just use the pressure from the Flow Pro to pump up the water. Who knows, maybe a Geyser shower system, if you're watching, maybe you can make a cheaper version of the shower by just using something like this. Or if you don't, then you can just DIY something like this for yourself, for the consumers there. But again, this is how I'm going to wash my dishes. The reason why I wanted to do this is because I wanted to save water. The current system I had, which had the hose attached to this before, was using a lot of water to wash dishes. Now I'm just going to use this, and hopefully I'll save a lot more water.